The Bose Ultra Open Bluetooth Earbuds, true wireless earbuds. When it comes to premium audio, Bose has long been a leader in the industry, known for its signature sound, cutting-edge design, and focus on comfort. With the release of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, the company takes a bold step into a different direction, offering true wireless earbuds that don't fully seal off your ears, but instead combine immersive audio with all-day comfort and environmental awareness. After spending time with them, here's my detailed review. Design and comfort. The first thing that sets the Ultra Open earbuds apart is the unique open-ear design. Unlike traditional in-ear buds that go into the ear canal or over-ear models that cover the ear, these earbuds gently clip onto the outer ear. The result is a fit that feels feather-light, secure, and most importantly, comfortable enough to wear for hours at a time. This design is perfect for people who dislike the plugged-up feeling of in-ear tips or the heaviness of over-ear headphones. You barely feel them on, which makes them great for work, commuting, or workouts, or you want to stay aware of your surroundings. They're also stylish, with a sleek and minimal look that blends tech with fashion. Sound quality. Of course, Bose is all about sound, and the Ultra Open earbuds don't disappoint. Despite the open design, they deliver rich, detailed audio with balanced bass, mids, and highs. The bass isn't overpowering, but it's punchy enough for pop, EDM, or hip hop, while vocals come through crystal clear for podcasts, calls, or acoustic music. The real magic is Bose's immersive audio mode, which creates a spacious, almost surround sound effect. It feels as though the sound is coming from around you rather than directly from your ears, giving a natural, open listening experience. This makes music and movies more engaging without the isolation of traditional earbuds. Awareness and everyday use. One of the biggest advantages of the open design is situational awareness. You can listen to your music or take a call while still hearing traffic, conversations, or the world around you. For outdoor runners, cyclists, or people who like staying connected to their environment, this is a major selling point. Battery life and charging. The Bose Ultra Open earbuds deliver around 7.5 hours of playback on a single charge, with the case providing an additional up to 19 hours. That's more than enough for a full day of use, and quick charging gives you about 2 hours of playtime in just 10 minutes. The case is compact and pocket-friendly, making it easy to carry around. Controls and connectivity. Controls are intuitive, with touch gestures that let you adjust volume, play, pause, skip tracks, or answer calls without needing your phone. Pairing is seamless with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a stable connection whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or PC. Multi-point pairing is supported too, so you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously, great for switching between your laptop and phone. The Bose Music app adds another layer of customization, letting you tweak the EQ, switch between modes, or update firmware. Call quality. For calls, the built-in dual microphones with noise reduction ensure your voice stays clear while minimizing background noise. Even in busy environments, call performance is solid, making these earbuds reliable for both personal and professional use. Downsides. No product is perfect, and there are a few trade-offs. Because of the open-ear design, you won't get the same level of passive noise isolation as traditional earbuds. If you're in very noisy environments like airplanes or crowded trains, sound leakage might be noticeable and you may hear more of the outside world than you'd like. Also, the price point is premium, which might not appeal to casual users. Final verdict. The Bose Ultra Open Bluetooth earbuds are not your typical pair of earbuds. They're designed for people who value comfort, awareness, and a more natural listening experience without sacrificing the sound quality Bose is famous for. They're perfect for workouts, commuting, office use, or anyone who spends long hours wearing earbuds and doesn't want ear fatigue. With immersive audio, all-day comfort, premium design, and strong battery life, they strike an excellent balance between performance and practicality. If you want earbuds that feel invisible while still delivering powerful and high-quality sound, the Bose Ultra Open earbuds are one of the most innovative options available today.